Starting your sewing journey can feel both exciting and overwhelming. With hundreds of machines on the market, it's hard to know which one truly fits a beginner's needs. Easy to use, reliable, and flexible enough to grow with your skills. Don't worry, I've done the research for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best sewing machines for beginners in 2025, focusing on ease of use, build quality, versatility, and those small features that make learning to sew feel effortless. Whether you're mending clothes, starting a craft business, or just exploring a new hobby, one of these machines will help you sew like a pro in no time. Let's dive in, starting with number 6. At number 6, we have the Baby Lock Zest, a compact, no-fuss sewing machine that's perfect for absolute beginners. It comes with 15 built-in stitches, including all the basics like straight, zigzag, and stretch stitches. You get an adjustable stitch length, a 4-step buttonhole, and a free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs. It's lightweight at just about 13 pounds, making it easy to move around or store away. What makes the Zest truly beginner-friendly is its simplicity. There are no complicated screens or digital menus. You control everything with easy dials, which helps you learn the fundamentals without distractions. Despite being small, it handles multiple fabric layers surprisingly well, ideal for simple garment repairs, masks, or home crafts. If you want a reliable first machine to practice the basics and build confidence, the Zest is an excellent starting point. Next up, at number 5, is the Janome 2222, a timeless mechanical sewing machine known for its durability and smooth stitching. It offers 22 built-in stitches, an easy 4-step buttonhole, and adjustable stitch width and length. Janome is famous for producing stable, long-lasting machines, and the 2222 is no exception. Its heavy-duty metal frame prevents vibration even at higher speeds, giving your stitches a clean and professional look. What makes this model so appealing to beginners is its straightforward design. There's no steep learning curve. You simply select your stitch using a dial, adjust the tension manually, and go. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer a traditional sewing experience. If you're learning garment construction or working on home decor projects, the Janome 2222 helps you understand how stitching mechanics really work, a fantastic foundation before moving on to computerized machines. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother XR3774, one of the most versatile sewing machines for beginners in 2025. It features 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, stretch, and buttonhole options. One standout feature is the wide extension table, which makes it ideal for quilting and handling large fabric pieces. It also includes an automatic needle threader, top drop-in bobbin that's jam-resistant, and bright LED lighting so you can clearly see your stitches even on darker fabrics. Beginners love how forgiving this machine is. Even if your fabric alignment isn't perfect, it keeps the stitches neat and consistent. It's also whisper quiet so you can sew for hours without disturbing others. If you're thinking about trying quilting, or you want a machine that you won't outgrow too soon, the XR3774 offers a perfect blend of simplicity and creative freedom. At number 3, we have the legendary Singer Heavy Duty 4423, built for beginners who want strength, speed, and reliability. This machine features 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative types, along with a 1-step buttonhole function. What really sets it apart is its powerful motor, capable of sewing through multiple layers of thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and even light leather, at up to 1,100 stitches per minute. That's faster than many standard beginner machines. It also has an automatic needle threader, a stainless steel bed plate for smooth fabric feeding, and a heavy-duty metal frame that keeps everything stable and reduces vibration. Beginners often find it encouraging because you can work on tough fabrics without worrying about the machine slowing down or jamming. Another great aspect for beginners is its versatility. You can start with simple projects like hems, pillowcases, or tote bags, and then gradually move on to more challenging items like jeans, jackets, or canvas crafts. The controls are intuitive, the threading is straightforward, and the robust build means it will last through countless beginner projects. Taking the second spot is the Brother XM2701, one of the most beloved beginner machines. This lightweight yet capable model offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, and stretch stitches, plus a 1-step buttonhole. It also comes with an automatic needle threader, a top drop-in bobbin system, and 6 included presser feet. Everything a beginner needs to explore different sewing techniques. The stitch selector dial is super intuitive, and the clear diagram on the front makes it almost impossible to pick the wrong stitch. What makes it ideal for beginners is its gentle learning curve. You can start with basic hems and repairs, then gradually move to crafts or light garment projects. It's also extremely portable, making it great for sewing classes or small workspaces. Simply put, the Brother XM2701 is the perfect first love sewing machine. Simple, smooth, and supportive as you grow your skills. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Brother CS7000X. This is arguably the best beginner-friendly sewing machine in 2025, and here's why. It's a computerized model with 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, quilting, stitching, and heirloom stitches. You get an LCD screen for easy stitch selection, adjustable sewing speed, and automatic needle threading. It also comes with a wide table, 10 presser feet, a durable metal frame, and a free arm for cuffs and sleeves. What makes it stand out for beginners is its balance between guidance and flexibility. The CS7000X grows with you, from your very first straight stitch to advanced quilting projects. The on-screen indicators and speed control make it nearly impossible to make big mistakes. It's quiet, precise, and packed with smart features that help you focus on creativity instead of technical struggles. Exactly what every beginner needs. Remember, the best sewing machine isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that makes you want to keep creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and comment below. Which of these machines would you start your sewing journey with?